Shadol in front of you, and in this video I am going to teach you about polygon and its type. So firstly we have to know that what is polygon. So polygon is a simple closed figure formed with line segments in the same plane. These are only conditions: the figure has to be closed and made up of line segments in the same plane. A closed figure bounded by three or more line segments is called polygon. We can categorize them into two categories, which is regular polygon and irregular polygon. Regular polygon, a polygon with equal sides and equal angles. Example of regular polygon is square. Irregular polygon, a polygon with unequal sides or angles. Trapezium is example of irregular polygon. Now again, it is divided into two parts. First is convex polygon and second is concave polygon. In convex polygon, all interior angles are less than 180 degrees or all vertices point outwards. This figure is example of convex polygon. Notice its all angles of inside are less than 180 degrees and all vertices are point outwards. And in concave polygon, at least one angle is reflex, or we can say greater than 180 degrees but less than 360 degrees, or at least one vertex points towards the interior. This is the example of concave polygon, and in this figure angle E is reflex angle and also angle E is points toward interior. Now we are going to discuss different types of polygon. Polygons are classified based on number of sides they have. First polygon is triangle. A triangle is a least side polygon made with three sides and have three angles. In triangle, example of irregular polygon is equilateral triangle, and example of irregular polygon is scalene triangle. This is a triangle ABC, and in this triangle sides are AB, BC, CA. And can you tell me what is vertex? So vertex is a point where two lines meet, and a triangle has three vertices A, B and C. What is formed between those sides? It's called an angle. So again, can you tell me how many angles are there in a triangle? So a triangle has three angles: angle A, angle B and angle C. Now let's know how many diagonals are there in a triangle. Firstly, we have to know what is diagonal. So diagonal is a line segment that goes from one corner to another, but it's not an edge. So there is a formula to know how many diagonals in a shape. The formula is n minus 3 upon 2. Here n means number of sides. A triangle has three sides, so in place of n we put 3. 3 minus 3 is equal to 0 and 3 multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. So there are 0 diagonal in a triangle because a line segment that goes one corner to another, it's an edge. Now let's know how to find sum of interior angles of any polygon. So there is a formula to find sum of interior angles of any polygon. The formula is 180 degrees multiplied by n minus 2. Here n is equal to number of sides. If you want to find the sum of interior angles of a triangle, so in a triangle number of sides are 3. So in place of n we put 3. 180 degrees multiplied by 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. 180 degrees multiplied by 1 is equal to 180 degrees. And if you want to find the sum of interior angles of any 15-sided polygon, so n is equal to 15. 180 degrees multiplied by 15 minus 2. 15 minus 2 is equal to 13. 180 degrees multiplied by 13 is equal to 2340 degrees. So in this way, you can find sum of interior angles of any polygon. Next polygon is quadrilateral. Quadrilateral is a word. In this word, quad means 4 and lateral means side. So quadrilateral is a closed figure made up of 4 line segments. Television screen and envelope are example of quadrilateral. This is the quadrilateral ABCD, and this quadrilateral is made up of 4 line segments AB, BC, CD and DA. The quadrilateral has 4 vertices. Each point is called vertex. In this figure, vertices are A, B, C and D. So remember, all quadrilateral has 4 sides and 4 vertices. A quadrilateral is also defined by its angle. It has 4 angles. In this figure, sides DA and AB meet at a point A and angle A is formed. So, a quadrilateral has 4 angles, and in this figure, angles are angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D. Now let's know how many diagonals are there in a quadrilateral. So number of sides of a quadrilateral is 4. So we take 4 in place of n. 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2 and 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. 2 multiplied by 1 is equal to 2. So there are 2 diagonals in a quadrilateral, and in this figure diagonals are AC and BD, and in a quadrilateral sum of interior angles are 360 degrees. In quadrilateral, square is the example of regular polygon and rectangle is example of irregular polygon. Next polygon is pentagon. A pentagon is a 5-side polygon with 5 line segments and 5 angles. Here penta denotes 5 and gon denotes angle. This is a pentagon A, B, C, D, E, and in this pentagon sides are A, B, B, C, C, D, D, E and E, A, and in this pentagon angles are angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D and angle E, and 5 vertices are A, B, C, D, E and diagonals are 5, and in this pentagon sum of interior angles are 540 degrees. Next is hexagon. A hexagon is a 6-side polygon with 6 line segments and 6 angles. This is a hexagon, and in this hexagon 6 sides are AB, BC, CD, DE, EF and FA. Angles are angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D, angle E and angle F. Vertices are A, B, C, D, E and F, and diagonals are 9, and sum of interior angles are 720 degrees. Now let's know about heptagon. A heptagon is a polygon with 7 sides and 7 angles. Sometimes the heptagon is also called septagon. This is a heptagon A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and in this heptagon sides are A, B, B, C, C, D, D, E, E, F, F, G, G or A, and in this heptagon angles are angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D, angle E angle F and angle G. And vertices are A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and diagonals are 14, and in heptagon sum of interior angles are 900 degrees. Octagon. Octagon is a polygon with 8 sides and 8 angles. This is the octagon A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, and in this octagon 8 sides are A, B, B, C, C, D, D, E, E, F, F, G, G, H, and H, A. 8 angles are angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D, angle E, angle F, angle G, angle H. Vertices are A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and H. Sum of interior angles are 1080 degrees and number of diagonals are 20. Nonagon. A nonagon is a polygon with 9 sides and 9 angles. This is a nonagon, and in this nonagon number of sides and angles are 9 and number of vertices are also 9. And in nonagon number of diagonals are 27 and sum of interior angles are 1260 degrees. Last is decagon. A decagon is a polygon with 10 sides and 10 angles. This is a decagon, and in this decagon number of sides and angles are 10 and number of vertices are also 10. And in decagon number of diagonals are 35 and sum of interior angles are 1440 degrees. So students, use the formula of diagonals and sum of interior angles and try to find the diagonals and sum of interior angles of other polygons. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching this video.